Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. It's good to have you on today's session. We're going to be talking about the pre-application buyer's badge. So if you're heading over to the Canton Fair and you're looking for a bit of instruction on how to get your pre-application for your buyer's badge or how to basically get your buyer's badge, stay with me. We're going to be answering that on this video. Welcome back, guys. It's good to have you here. My name is Alex Ryan, author of How to Find Fantastic Products Over in China and Sell These on Amazon. So how to import from China and basically make a fortune. So I've been teaching this now for roughly 11 years, how to find awesome products over in China and bring them into your country, whether it's Australia, New Zealand, America, Canada. Doesn't really matter what country you're based in, but the system, the process is exactly the same. First of all, find a great product, find an awesome quality supply, and basically bring it over and sell it either on Amazon or via your own e-commerce website, all right? But today's all about the buyer's badge. If you're looking to go over to the Canton Fair and you're like, hey Alex, how do I get this damn buyer's badge? What's the process? I don't speak Cantonese, right? I don't know how to go about doing it. First of all, you need to head over to the official website, Canton Fair. I think it's cantonfair.cn, right? I believe that is. But if you type in Canton Fair official website into Google, that will pop up, all right? Go on there, and that's basically where you get your pre-application for buyer's badge, right? So the process is kind of like this. If you want to go to the Canton Fair, you need a buyer's badge, right? You need that, otherwise you won't get into the fair. You also need an invitation letter. Once you've got that, then you apply for your visa, then you book your flights, then you book your accommodation. That's how it typically goes around, right? So to get your buyer's badge, you got to show them, you got to basically tell them what products you're interested in, you got to have an ID, you got to upload a photo, you've got to upload a passport, right? And basically, as soon as you do your buyer's badge, it probably takes about 20-30 minutes per person. And I know I've done probably about 100 for my clients, right? Now, as soon as you do that, right, you can instantly apply for your invitation letter. Now, who invites you? It's the Canton Fair complex. They're basically inviting you to the Canton Fair, and you need that for your visa, all right? So remember this, get your buyer's badge first, so you need to apply for your buyer's badge, and second, you need to get your invitation letter. We're going to cover invitation letter on another video, all right? Thanks for dropping by. My name's Alex Ryan. Have a fantastic day. By the way, if you're looking for hot product ideas, and we are going to the Canton Fair every single year. We go April, May, roughly April, May, which is the phase 1, 2, and 3, and we go in October. If you're looking for ideas, it is a fantastic avenue to finding brand new ideas that have never before touched Amazon, but also, do you have to go to the Canton Fair to find product ideas? No, you don't. You can just go on you can actually follow the research that we do, use software online. The majority of my students end up doing a lot of this stuff at the comfort of their own home, finding products, right, and listing it on Amazon, launching it and selling it on Amazon without ever going to China. But by going to China, you do get ahead a lot faster, all right? Want to find out more? Check out our webinar. The link is below. I would love to see you on one of our free online trainings, and I'd love to see you at one of our live events that we hold here in Australia. All right, guys, that's it for me. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on another video. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.